Hey everyone! If your iPhone X SIM is not working after an iOS update, or you're seeing no service or SIM not supported, then try these quick fixes. First, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection and fixes minor signal glitches. Next, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot often fixes SIM and carrier-related bugs after an update. If it's still not working, go to Settings, then tap on General, and after that, tap on About. Wait a few seconds. If a carrier update pops up, make sure to install it. Now check your SIM card. Remove it carefully using a SIM ejector. Clean it lightly and reinsert it properly. Another important step is resetting network settings. Go to Settings, then tap on General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. After that, tap on Reset Network Settings. This will not delete your data. If nothing works, make sure your iOS is fully updated, or contact your carrier, because sometimes the issue is from their side. And yeah, that should fix your SIM problem on iPhone X after the update.